check this cupcakes and see if it's done. It's done, looks pretty. I'll check my cupcakes and see. Ooh, ooh, smells good. It's delicious. This needs a little time. Ooh, looks delicious. See that? You see that guava? See that guava? Yummy. But test is not yet because I have to. Let's see, stick it to something. Seriously? I gotta stick it. Oh my goodness, where's all my utensils? I gotta stick it. Oh. It could be done a little more. Oh. Alright. 10 minutes more and it should be done. Where's my timer? 7 minutes, I think. Because I gotta get ready. Let's see. Wait. The chicken is done and it looks delicious. Look at this. Chicken is done. Mac and cheese is done. Delicious. Isn't that delicious, that one? We almost forgot it. Let me see. Let's steal a piece of this. Tastes good. Okay, so now I wait for. You should let it cool before we bring it over. Check it. I should check it again. Make sure it's not going to be burnt. Ooh. Want it to be burnt. Ooh, that's heavy. Even though it looks light. Alright, let's do the stick test. See, it's done. It's a good thing I double checked it. It is done. It looks delicious. Look at that. That's the guava. You see it? That's the guava. But I don't think. Oops! I don't think the cake is done because I put it in after. But let's double check. I want it to be burnt. It's green. That means this